Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 及 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write. 及 means end. To reach, up to. For example, 以及 以及 as well as to and I don't trust her and her story. 我不相信她以及她的陈述。I don't trust her. Don't trust her and her story. 我不相信她。我不相信他以及他的陈述。陈述 story 我不相信 I don't trust sorry以及他的陈述。I don't trust her and her story. 我不相信她以及她的陈述。及 in cursive. 及 and to reach up to 以及 as well as to and I don't trust her and her story. 我不相信她以及她的陈述。及 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 及 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.